Hello everybody, Ferdar here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make an intro. And trust me, the intro's going to look good, not like those, those intros, flashy lights and text, text moving around. Well, no, it's not like that, well, kind of, but it's easy, okay? So first you want to do, you have to switch from Blender Render to Cycled Render, and delete everything, make a text, press tab to go into edit mode, and just spell out your channel name or your name. I'm not going to spell out my real name, I'm just going to spell out my channel name, okay? And then press tab to exit. You now have this wonderful arrangement of letters. So you're going to want to change, okay, extrude a bit, add a bit of depth, set the resolution up a bit, and center. Then you will press Alt C and mesh from curve meta surf text, and guess what? Now it's its own object, which is always great. Now I'm going to rotate it by 90 degrees, well, minus 90 degrees, and now we have these. Now we're going to split these up. So wireframe L L L L L L L L L L L, or you could just select this, and you basically just do it like this. Oh yeah, also the Star Wars the Star Wars the Ferdar that is now my website's now been changed. Okay, so it's not just a place to look at my other YouTube videos. Okay. Oh no! Oh my God! That is just let's just forget that happened. Okay. Okay there. Now set origin to geometry. Origin to geometry. You got the drill. Pretty confident of this intro. This isn't the intro. Now you're gonna want Shift A and camera. That camera that we just deleted. I just really hate that default camera. But I don't have anything against cameras. They're cool. Like I just have something against the default camera. Just something annoys me about. And you're gonna want to I mean, you don't have to, but I'm going to. Well, you kind of have to, but I'm just gonna select everything here. Location, rotation, then move over, move over here, move this here, move this, jumble them up. Okay, and then you will just arrange them neatly in their order. Oh, sorry, not fair. Haha, comedy. Yeah, that is comedy gold. No, 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 not the, no, not the, not the, not the, not the TV channel. Check to see if everything's okay. Yeah, this. Well, okay, intro. You could just leave it like this, but I'm just gonna adjust. Okay. Okay, seems okay. I'm just gonna look at the F over there. Looking pretty neat. I'm gonna extend all these out. Gonna extend all these out. Alright, let's see if this works. Ah, it doesn't. What a surprise! And now the F is screwed up. Okay. I really don't take a personal F. The F is having trouble with the R. Looking okay. I'm just going to rotate all of these to make it more interesting. I mean, this is interesting as it gets. Like on the close 50 linear extrapolation. Looking pretty good. And now we gonna render this. Well, not render, OpenGL render. There, and now we could play a rendered animation. Might increase the length. Oh damn it, it's already 8 minutes. I've spent 8 minutes on this. Gonna do the gonna render this again. Well, not render, OpenGL again. I think the OpenGL feature is underrated. Like, it's really handy for when you're doing it in the viewport, it can lag a bit, like the frame rate will drop. But and also if you just like, it's not the most beautiful. This isn't the most beautiful way. It's just another way. Now after that, going to okay, gotta do this very fast now. Oh, the pressure's on. Not even gonna OpenGL this yet. We're gonna add a material to all of this. I mean, any color you want. I'll just make it red. Make a lamp. And you just do the same one for all of these. Now, thank you for watching and goodbye.